Evening traders, this is Taylor with GammaEdge coming at you with a quick market status for Wednesday, January 18th. Here is our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you're done so, let's move on. But before we get going with the content, quickly again, as I noted last night, 40% of y'all that watch this content do not subscribe to the channel. All that we're asking for you guys is we provide you with free content nightly and in the morning, and all we ask from you is that you simply subscribe. Helps us continue to produce free content with y'all. So with that, let's get to it. Here we have the SPY daily chart. This is where we typically start, just a zoomed out view of where we are. 390 big downside level, 405 starting to be a key technical level to the upside. Right now we're in middle of the range, not a ton to do here. Here we have our tick US model. First thing to note, working top to bottom, new highs outpacing new lows. This makes 10 days in a row. Paul noted we are at 9 in the morning call this morning. Filter tick really pretty flat, corresponding with price action. A lot of chop today. Cumulative tick flat, trending higher. And the long-term moving average ribbon, we are fully inverted, trending higher. The one kind of negative, I guess, so to speak, of this model is the cumulative tick is a bit overextended from the long-term moving average ribbon. So what does that mean? If we do see this cumulative tick start to roll over below the short-term moving average ribbon, this is a good kind of take profit signal. Always should be expecting a retest of longer-term moving average ribbon, so something to be cognizant on if you're looking to put new longs on here. Here we have our tick ARCX model, pretty similar comments to what we just talked about. 3 of the 4 signals are turned on. Last signal should fire tomorrow, so long as the cumulative tick doesn't completely melt down. Here we have our full gamma complexes, SPY on the left, SPX on the right. SPY, a lot of chop between what our commentary was earlier in the Discord itself this morning. 400 likely cap due to plus GEX. Good kind of supply zone down here at 397. This was a clean transition zone, our P-trans level. Over on the SPX itself, a lot of just Brownian motion, kind of mean reversion around that 4,000 strike. Here we have going through our charts now, cycling through them. SPY hourly chart, just showing middle of the range, zoomed in from that daily. Not a ton to do here. 15-minute chart. Start to see there's this big intraday chop zone. This is where I operated today like an idiot. Got chopped up. However, very, very clear picture here. Supply demand zones pretty well laid out. 5-minute chart here. Again, just zooming in. A lot of chop, big chop zones right now. SPY 2-minute chart. Here we're slapping on our gamma levels on top. Good representation of what we just looked at with the gamma dashboard itself. We had 400 on the top where we found supply. P-trans 397. Good demand zone down here. Again, want to be operating in those extremes, unlike myself who was operating in the middle right here. Tough day, but good lesson. We all live to fight another day, right? So yeah, key levels laid out here into tomorrow, 0 GEX, COTMP additionally to the downside. Hitting on SPX real quick, upside kind of technical level, 40.25, downside 39.22. SPX 5 minutes, supply demand zones laid out here. Again, slap on our gamma levels, 2-minute chart, 4,000 big zone, supply zone right there. Downside, we have this demand zone, break that, 0 GEX and COTMP to the downside. So with that, SPY, SPX level is pretty clear, what I laid out, at least what I'm looking at tomorrow. And hopefully y'all got value from this. Again, GammaEdge.us is where you can find us, and would appreciate subscribe to the channel. Best of luck tomorrow. Bye.